Time waits for no one. I first said this a little bit differently to one of my goddaughters. She was always running late, and I made the mistake of trusting her when I needed to get on a train going from Chicago back home. And I was like, okay, what time do we need to leave? And she gave me the time. I didn't know the distance from where we were, and I almost missed the train. I remember just like time waits for no one. Even if you stand still, that doesn't mean that life is gonna wait on you to get to moving. Your standing still is actually an opportunity for you to just automatically be going backwards. Because life is moving on. It's not waiting on us. When I think about my theme for the year, if I don't have a focus, if I don't have a theme, guess what? Month after month after month is going to pass. I want to be a little more intentional about it. So the theme for the year has a lot to do with my value, appreciation, and respect for time. I also think about the fact that a lot of people have different types of relationships with time. Time is not on their side. That's like a mindset. And I think the time is on my side. I think if I pay attention and if I give some thought and I enjoy this journey through life, I can start putting my energy towards things that truly matter. Time waits for no man, but time is also a tool. Time is a beautiful thing that can help you treat people differently. Always think about, what do I want to spend this life doing? What are some things that I want to work towards? If I'm here a long time, if I got a lot of years left, what do I want my older self to say about the decisions that I'm making today? I want my older self to be very grateful for the decisions that I made. My relationship with time has truly grown. I enjoy being able to look at myself and look at the journey and challenge myself and celebrate myself. And a big part of each of my themes have to do with, what can I learn? What can I grow in? What can I begin to master? Maybe even places I can go, conversations I can have. And then I look back and I think about, what are the things that I've done with the time that I have? My best friend said, when you die, there's a number at the beginning and a number at the end. But it's what we do with that dash that truly matters. The dash is the time that we have here on earth. Yeah, time waits for no man. It's gonna go on and on. The sun is gonna rise and it's gonna set. What are we gonna do with our time? Year after year, month after month, day after day, hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second. What are we doing? And so I hope you think about, what's your relationship with time? Do you see it as a tool? Do you see it as a gift? You know, that time is on your side? Well, I hope you do. I hope that you start thinking about, there truly is a time for everything. And at every chance we get, I hope that you're thinking about, what do I want to add to my life? How do I want to show up in the earth? I'm always thinking about the ways in which I can love a little more deeply, work on forgiveness, work on how I'm showing up with being gracious towards others, and how I'm caring for myself. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you began to think about your relationship with time, and that you'll realize time is on your side. Have a good day.